Good afternoon. In this video, we'll see how to draw this second question in projection of planes. The demo for the second question is already given in another video. You can check that video in the description box. Here, I will try to explain only in AutoCAD how to solve that answer. Okay. So they have given a regular hexagon ABCDF of side 20 mm, has its side DE on wall. Its plane is parallel to floor. Let's see how to solve that in AutoCAD. Okay. As usual, draw the XY line first. Okay, and then draw a pentagon using polygon command. Number of sides is 6. Select edge, then first endpoint you have to select on the XY line itself, and the second endpoint is depending upon the size of the hexagon. Size is 20 mm, so you have to set it as 20 mm. Okay. Next thing is that we have to draw projection line from all the corner points. Just select all the corner points, draw a projection line. Okay, and then we have to just join them using a line command. So front view will be just a line, so that line can be drawn somewhere wherever you want, as they didn't give any position with respect to above HP distance, so you can draw that line at random location. Now we'll see how to name the corners. Okay, so we know that below XY line it is top view and above the XY line it is front view as per the first angle projection. So the hexagon has to be named in top view with only alphabets A, B, C, D, E, whereas in the front view it has to be notated with the help of dash. Okay, so just use text command, select the start point. Okay, and then type so they have mentioned the question DE is resting on the side DE. Side DE is has its side DE on the wall, so DE should be on the XY line. That alone we have to carefully handle it. So this alone it will be D, this will be E. Okay, AB. So we can notate this one as A, this one as B, this one as C, and this one is F. Okay, and in the front view we have to notate as C dash. This will be B dash, in bracket put D dash. Likewise this point will be A dash, in bracket put E dash. Likewise this point will be F dash. So to avoid confusion, what we can do is that we can, sorry, there was some mistake with respect to notation. One second. Then we can write this XY reference line. Okay, then we can write this as VP and this as HP. Okay, so this is how we have to notate the points. So intersection points we can just mark it with the help of point command also. If possible, we'll see that. One second. Just use point command. Make a point on the intersection point. That is very important. Okay, then dimension. The side length is 20. Okay, and you can just highlight the front view in different colors if you want. Likewise, you can highlight the top view in different color if you want. Okay, so these are called projection lines. Don't get this should be thin, so you can use any thin color if you want. So the pink ones are projection lines. Okay. You should be in a position to distinguish that is visible edges, projection lines, dimension line, and invisible lines. Okay. So in this diagram, I have made the projection line in pink color. Okay, visible edges are in yellow color for both front view and top view, and XY line reference line is in white color, and the dimensions also I have given in white color line. Okay, so this is the answer for the second question in projection of planes. So with respect to positioning of the plane, you can see refer the another video and you can learn from that video. Thank you.